felt so funny by the break of dawn. It must have been the lady I was dreaming of. She got me. She got me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm super glad that you decided to click on this video and check out my channel. Today's video is going to be a super satisfying, kind of relaxing, chill cleaning video. So I have my list made out of a few random things that I needed to get done. The first being the microwave. I like to keep on top of this so that it never gets too bad to where I have to scrub it out. As you can see, there was a little bit of spill on the plate right there, so I'm just going to wash that in the sink. And then right here, I'm just wiping out the microwave. And I like to do this, like I said, pretty often, so this is kind of like a weekly chore for me, so I was just taking care of this. And then I was about to wash the plate that was in the microwave, but first I wanted to take care of a couple of dishes. We actually ran out of dishwasher pods and we're trying to stay inside as much as possible, so we are just hand washing dishes for now, which is totally fine with me. So I was just taking care of that and then washing the plate to the microwave.
Gonna go and ask her if she'll be my wife. She got me. Oh yeah, she got me. Got this bubbly feeling and it's holding on. Yeah, yeah. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. You got me. Baby, you got me. Sugar, it's clear to me that you're more than this. A one-way ticket to eternal bliss. You got me. Baby, you got me. So done that, back when I didn't know who I was. I had a waking up and it was all because the woman I had dreamed of was suddenly in love with me. I had lost the attitude in 20 pounds. You came into my life and turned me around. I love you more than words can ever say. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. You got me. Baby, you got me. Sugar, it's clear to me there's more than this. A one-way ticket to eternal bliss. You got me. Baby, you got me. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. You got me. You got me. Sugar, it's clear to me that you're more than this. A one-way ticket to eternal bliss. You got me. Baby, you got me. Totally mad about you. Totally mad about you.
So I found this at Walmart the other day, and it's by the Plink brand, and I know that they make some Plink little circular things that you can drop into your garbage disposal to freshen that up, but these ones are specifically made for your dishwasher and your washing machine. So you're technically supposed to put dishwashing soap in your dishwasher when you use it, but like I said, we had run out of the pods, so I didn't have any at the time. But for the washing machine, you just want to run it on a full load on the hottest setting possible. And I really do love how these things worked, especially the washing machine. It really freshened it up, and it was a nice lemony scent, and I feel like it really did clean everything out really well.
Maybe I wouldn't care if I could suffocate my feelings for you. Then I could just carry on could slow down, wish I could stop time.
Here I am just showing you guys how to make your own DIY carpet sprinkle. So for this, all you're going to need is some baking soda and some essential oils. The essential oils are optional, but I feel like it really makes your entire place smell really fresh and clean. And if you have pets, make sure that you research what essential oils are healthy for pets to be around and which are not, because I know that there's a few essential oils that are really bad for dogs to be around. So I know that orange is one of the good essential oils, and as you can tell, Jasper loved the smell of it and he was actually trying to eat some of it, so I had to keep him back. But you just want to put a few drops in your baking soda and kind of stir it around with a fork, and it really freshens everything up, especially if you let it sit on the carpet for a little while. So as that was doing its thing, I decided to go ahead and dust and Windex the windows.
So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into.
The last thing on my list for today is to clean out and organize this junk drawer. I think that everybody in the world has a junk drawer, and if you don't, then please teach me your ways, because I have several junk drawers throughout my apartment. But this one is in our kitchen, and it just has so many random things in there. So I'm just starting by taking everything out, and then I will go ahead and wipe out the drawer and then reorganize things like I want them to be.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you're
just finished organizing this junk drawer and I just want to show you guys how I did it. So I have this Dollar Tree bin right here with all of my cookbooks in there, and then I just shoved all of my koozies to the right side of that. In this jar I have like Gorilla Glue and like any nails or screws. I just like to keep it all in here. And then I have this baggie of wine corks that I've been collecting for a long time, that one day I want to make like a craft with them. Like I've seen all kinds of like wine cork crafts, so my hope is to eventually find something that I would like to do with these, but for now they just stay in here. Then we have extra light bulbs, and then what is this? Oh yeah, ant bait, so we just have that there. And then in this like little smaller Dollar Tree bin, I have bag clips over here, command hooks and adhesives for command hooks right here, and then batteries right here. And I figured that all these things are pretty small, so they could all be in the same container. And then over here, I just have some painting tape. So that is what this junk drawer now looks like, and it looks a whole lot better and more organized. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.